In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a table to your presentation slide, enhancing the clarity and organization of your data. First, let's open up your presentation software and navigate to the specific slide where you'd like your table to appear. It's important to have a clear idea of where you want this table, because its context within your presentation can significantly impact how your audience interprets the information. Once you're on the right slide, move your attention to the menu bar at the top. Look for the option labeled Insert. This menu is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your slide. Click on Insert, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with multiple options. We're interested in Table for this exercise, so go ahead and select that. When you click on Table, you'll be presented with a grid where you can choose the number of rows and columns your table should have. Imagine you're planning the structure of your table based on your data needs. Let's say for this example, you need a 3x3 table. You can achieve this by hovering your mouse over the grid, highlighting 3 rows and 3 columns. As you hover, you'll notice the table outline changes, updating to show the dimensions you're selecting in real time. Once you're satisfied with the structure, simply click, and your table will be placed on the slide. With your table now visible on the slide, you can click on any of the cells to start entering your text. Think of these cells as small containers for your data, each one waiting to be filled with valuable information. Use this feature to insert text that conveys the key points you want to communicate to your audience clearly and succinctly. As you populate the cells, consider the overall layout of your slide. Ensure that the table fits well within your existing slide design and complements other elements, such as text boxes or images, without appearing cluttered or overwhelming. You might want to adjust its size or reposition it by dragging the corners of the table to ensure everything aligns nicely and maintains a professional look. Adding a table can be a powerful way to summarize information in a neat and organized fashion, making it easier for your audience to digest the content. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only enhanced your presentation with a functional element, but also visually organized information for effective communication. And that's it, a simple and effective way to incorporate tables into your presentation slides. I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and I wish you great success with your presentation.